for sure that I've been
on that lace. I thought that would be nominated. The day held up beautifully. It's gorgeous. I had to turn away then, but
Tell us what you said to him, all the lies.
oh, he said he was going around Europe.
Ah, there's something.
So I said, yes, we were taking in. We were staying in the Lakes Hotel, and then tomorrow we were taking in the match, and Kerry was going to win double figures. And then after that, we were going over to England, and from England we were going to Spain, and then we were going to Boston and to New York and on to Chicago. And he said then that he was going to Asia and to Japan and China, and I said, oh yes, it was lovely. He must taste the bird's nest soup. So he asked me about the bird's nest soup, and I said it was delicious. It was an acquired taste, and it had very strange things in it, but they couldn't explain what they were. All these flies are eating me. It had a very acquired taste, and it was this beautiful shape. And he said, was it in a special dish? And I said, yes, a very special dish, gold-rimmed dish. And he said, oh yes, sure. He kept saying everything, sure.
Yeah. And it's lovely sitting down on the ground with you, and you have to wash your fingers in the bowl.
Oh yes, and then when you're in Japan, you sit on the floor cross-legged. Oh yes, that's right. And you sit at a small table, and these lovely geisha girls serve you these meals.
Have you ever been there?
My father had Fotorash.
Oh yes.
Where pieces dancing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the geisha, beautiful geisha girls. Oh, these flies are biting me. I'm getting repayment for my sins.
Mary, take the sob.
The what?
What?
The sob.
Sob. Is the sound on that now?
Yeah. Tape the what?
Sob.
What's that?
The car.
Here.
They're here, Mary.
Mary.
What's so special about that?
It's very special.
You should go down there, see the picture through the trees. Get a picture through the trees. Sorry, mine crossing the road though. It's lovely.
Should I go ask him how much the car cost?
I wouldn't think so, Mary. It wouldn't
The
be.
blue one.
No, don't.
Excuse me. How much did that car cost?
None of your business. Go away.
Oh, necessary zoom. Unnecessary zoom.
No. Just keep going along that lane.
You'll see the water there, you're right on top of it. You'll see the start of it there. You can see it there. And it's only a little way up. Just a little way.
The owner of the expensive car.
Oh, really? It isn't an Irish little way at all. It's a little way. It isn't an Irish little way.
You haven't told me what the little way is there.
You'll walk it in, what, 2 minutes?
No, oh,
2 minutes. You're welcome.
do I cross a leprechaun or something like that? Do I find one there?
Well,
A leprechaun?
on the left-hand side now, there's a big oak tree. And if you look under the third leaf, you might just find one.
Find what?
So we're 6 of them right here.
Another car, a Saab. See if we can get the name in it.
Yeah, lay down.
Mama!
There's no way in, you see, from the road. You can drive from the road.
This is Finnegan. One more time, this is Finnegan's other car. Whoa. Oh! I know.
There's bird's eye soup, bird's nest soup on the menu tonight. And he said then, we said we ate a lot with our fingers, you see, we're in Japan, and the bowl on the table, and he said the chopsticks, you find them difficult. Oh, I said I'm very interested in them now.
Sarah,
No, it's alright. I
Can you
got
see?
it.
Oh,
you
yeah,
get in
okay.
front of you there.
Can you see all right?
Yeah, I'm getting it alright.
That's great. Now you've got to
Get it after. But it wasn't.
That's the non-Catholic church there.
That's the Three Lakes Hotel.
Where?
There.
We were in the better one, the better class one, naturally. Killarney race is now coming off the 15th, 16th, 17th, and it will have been. Well, they were on July 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th. And Lester Piggott rides on the 5th road on the 15th.
Killarney Manor Banquet Feasting now open song.
Banquet and song, yeah. Coming up to the flowers
Beautiful
now.
blue sky. The sun. Hardly two.
Rather go small, no Sarah.
But you can get these bits here now, it's lovely.
Oh yeah. Flowers, no Sarah.
Flowers here. Which way are you coming? In the middle here?
Come in the middle.
Yeah, you're better maybe in the middle. Can you see it now?
Where am I?
Right, sorry. Just there,
Stella's
the
getting a
guy.
bit bored of us driving so slow.
On the left there now. There on the left.
Jumping in it.
That's it now. Grotto too. You want the grotto now?
Come up to the flowers, you know, Sarah.
Oh yeah, roundabout again now. Which way do you want it? The front here?
Look, they're straight in front of us.
Yeah, here,
Sarah.
just here now, Sarah. Just here, you're coming up to the roundabout now. It's nice. Remember, it was a nice floral design. Can you see it?
Yeah.
What a
That's it.